I liked the entire movie.
पयलीं हांव बेश्टो 10 मिनट चोयन वयतो म्हूण आसलो बट हांव त्या कदलाक दसोन आसलो. इट इज अ व्हेरी गूड एप्रिशिएटेड मुवी. सगळ्या लोकांनी गोंयच्या हे कोंकणी मुवी एप्रिशिएट करूंक जाय.
The movie was really good, really good. We were not expecting such a movie right now.
I'm very, very happy to have witnessed such a beautiful masterpiece.
I will even see the next part if it's coming.
Because most of the comedy film go in one direction, so something new to see, and direction wise it was very good.
Good camera work, good direction also, acting hui bare.
It's a surprise. The movie first half is totally hilarious and the second half is totally different. It has a different twist, so it's a good entertainment.
पिक्चर सारकें मनापासून भितर मनापासून आवडलें. Acting was very nice and best Konkani movie. I believe all the Goans should see it.
स्टोरी कित स्टोरी बरोवप कॉन्सेप्ट आनी सडनली क्लायमॅक्स लास्ट आनी सारकें आंगातले लॉंग उब जाता इतलें म्हणजे बरें टचिंग मुवी आनी स्टार्टींग पासून कॉमेडी पासून बेस्ट एक्टींग केला बेस्ट आनी मोदें स्टार्टींग हांव आसलां इतलें म्हाज्या येतालो आवाज थिंगा चड.
Number one, top notch.
I think we are just united by Konkani and just divided by the states.
It's an excellent movie and I'm surely coming again.
आनी स्टोरी I never expected that ending. अशें जातलें म्हणून सावन गेलें. And definitely you guys have to watch this movie.
I myself have enjoyed as a theatrist and I'm sure you guys also will enjoy.
But the script was wonderful and especially a lot of religious matter was there which will improve our faith.
सगळे मोगाड भाव भयणां देव बरें सांस दिवं आनी तुमकां सगळ्यांक काळिदासान देव बरें करून टायम काडून तुमी तशेंच हांव ह्या फिल्माचो प्रिमियर शो चोवपा येयलें त्या खातीर हांव तुमकां इंट्रोड्यूस करतां. रायन मॅग्नेटो, रायटर, डायरेक्टर प्लस हिरो ऑफ दीस तशेंच जावं फिल्म. तेंकोन आहा तो डॉक्टर मेल्विन, को रायटर ऑफ दीस तशेंच जावं. आनी आमगे वेलरीजा फ्रॉम गोवा आवेस पेरेरागे चेडू फ्रॉम सांतिस्टेवा ते ह्या फिल्माची हिरोईन.
सुमेस्तांक तुमकां नमस्कार. बरी सांज आमी मागता. हांव मंगळूर तावन आज दनपारां सुटोन सांजेर हांगासर पावले. हांव घेवन आयले हांव आमचें हें तिसरें फिल्म तशेंच जावं गोंयाक पयले फावटी. कित्याक गोवा हाडी जाय म्हळ्यार कोंकणी भास ती गोंयांत तावन मंगळूराक गेल्ली म्हूण म्हज्या मालगड्यांनी म्हाका सांगिल्लें आसा. आमी थंय कोंकणी फिल्मां करता, गोंयांतय फिल्मां कोंकणी करतात, पूण ह्या दोनी प्रदेशांनी कोंकणी फिल्मां एकामेका लोक जायतो पळयना. पूण कोंकणी सिनेमा क्षेत्र वाडा जाय, सक्कड कोंकणी उलोवच्या लोकांनी कोंकणी फिल्मां पळय जाय. मंगळूर आनी गोवा वेगळें जावचें न्ही, बगार तें एक जावन आसा जाय अशी आमची एक मांडावळ आनी आशा आसा.
Movie was good. John D'Silva was very nice.
Movie बरी आसली. Good camera work, good direction also, acting hui बरें. आनीक आमचे गोंयचे कलाकार वेलरिजा हाका बरें शावट येता आनी शी इज गॉट अ ब्रायट फ्युचर. आनी तेच भाशेन आमचो जॉन डिसिल्वा हाणें बरें केलां. सगल्या आमच्या गोंयकारांनी पिक्चर पळोवचें. सपोर्ट कोंकणी फिल्म्स.
Movie was really good. It's a very like a good story along with the comedy as well from John D'Silva.
It was very good and excellent direction. I really like the story. Main actor, the acting was excellent. It was like real, how it is in the real family. So it's was just a realistic acting, and everything was so finely done. All the actors, and the credit goes to the director of the movie, the main actor. It was superb and excellent. I would request everyone, especially the Goans, it's a must to watch because we enjoyed. There was not a single moment that we have not, like we felt bored, or it was excellent from the start. The comedy was too good. It made us laugh from the stomach, and in the little half of that there was a suspense, and it's like a full compact, and I really enjoyed it. Thanks a lot.
आज म्हाका खूब बरें दिसलें की एक आमचे कम्युनिटी मंगळूरची कम्युनिटी एक कोंकणी फिल्म घेवन येयले तशेंच जावं. पयलीं हांव बेश्टो 10 मिनट चोयन वयतो म्हूण आसलो, बट हांव त्या बदलाक दसोन आसलो. इट्स अ व्हेरी गूड एप्रिशिएटेड मुवी आनी सगळ्या लोकांनी गोंयच्या एक कोंकणी मुवी एप्रिशिएट करूंक जाय. ऑल द बेस्ट टू द मुवी. तशेंच जावं.
The movie was really good, really good. We were not expecting such a movie right now. We were not sure whether we would understand the dialect, but it was really good. Everybody, like not just one person or two people, every single person in the movie has acted really well. Thumbs up.
It is wonderful, and I want everyone to come and watch this movie. Mr. John De Silva from Goa and Valriza Pereira is Goa. They have done the amazing acting, and I'm sure you guys all will enjoy. I myself have enjoyed as a theatrist, and I'm sure you guys also will enjoy.
The movie was really great. I've seen her acting first time in a movie, which is very good. Otherwise, she have been working in theatre and all. The first half was funny, and half the part was serious. First, I thought it was horror, but it was like horror, funny, and there was some message in it. Yeah, and the acting is really good of Ryan and even Valriza's, and even I like the movie very well.
Mojo Mogal Bawan Buenado, Valriza Pereira. ये मूवी म्हाका खूब आवडले कित्याक तितून कॉमेडी हा, सिरियस एक्टींग हा, इतलें बरें एक्टींग केलां. म्हजी भयण आहा तितून, ताचें नांव वेलरिजा, सर जॉन डिसिल्वा आहा, आनी इतलें बरें एक्टींग केलां. एवरीबडी हॅज डन सच अ ग्रेट एंड नॅचरल एक्टींग. रायन जो आसा बरोवपी डिरेक्टर आनीक एडिटर ह्या फिल्माचो, ताणें इतलें बरें काम केलां. एंड आय थिंक ताणें सगळ्यांचो टॅलंट भितर आहा पळय तो तांच्या कुडीन ताणें इतल्या नॅचरली तो हाडला. म्हाका केन्नाच दिसोंक ना कोण एक्टींग करता पळय तो. एंड आय थिंक दॅट्स वॉट ट्रू मार्क ऑफ अ ग्रेट आर्टिस्ट एंड एक्टर इज. तेंचे इतलें नॅचरल जालें, तेंची इवन कॉमेडी इतल्या नॅचरली फ्लो जाली, आनीक फरेच आसो सुटलो पोटांसान. सो आय एम वेरी ग्लॅड हांव हिंगा येयलें म्हणून. आनीक इट्स वर्थ वॉचिंग. सो तुमी जरी तर जाता जाल्यार प्लीज येयात आनी हे पिक्चर पळयात आनी तांकां सपोर्ट करात, कित्याक आमची कोंकणी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री आहा, म्युजीक इंडस्ट्री आहा, तांकां खूब सपोर्ट जाय आमचो. एंड म्हजी फकत इच्छा की तुमी येवन आमच्या कोंकणी माचयेक सपोर्ट करतले म्हणून. द म्युजीक इज एक्सेप्शनली गुड. माय वेरी गुड फ्रेंड रोश has created the music score, and Prajot, who has a beautiful and magical voice, one of my favorite Konkani artists, has sung in the movie. And Maka goosebumps earlier. I really felt the goosebumps when the music would be playing in the background. It really elevated the movie to another level. And I'm very happy to have witnessed such a beautiful masterpiece.
Actually story म्हणटा ते एकदम बरो आहा. आमगे सरानूय एकदम बरें काम केलां, म्युजिकूय बरें आहा.
I like the movie. It's very entertaining and has a different ending, which is very nice to see, because most of the comedy film go in one direction. So something new to see, and direction wise it was very good, and performances were very nice. John De Silva especially is very good.
Good entertainment, and John sir and Ryan is well, good acting is done. Thank you and best of luck for this.
A very wonderful movie. Hats off to Ryan. It's very well written, directed and acted by Ryan. Like very nicely done. It was completely entertaining throughout, and even though the dialect was different, we could still stay connected. It was really nice movie. Hats off.
Great movie, great story. I think we are just united by Konkani and just divided by the states. And म्हाका दिसता कोंकणीक असोच मोग मेळचो आनी कोंकणी पिक्चरांक असोच सगळ्यांचो सपोर्ट मेळचो. देव बरें करूं.
As a surprise, the movie first half is totally hilarious and the second half is totally different. It has a different twist. So it's a good entertainment for the people. You will get both the comedy as well as the drama part of it. And very nicely done. So I congratulate the entire team and wish you good luck. So wherever you show the movie, people will like it definitely. Thank you.
Picture सारकें मनापासून भितर मनापासून आवडलें. एक्टींग वॉज व्हेरी नायस एंड एवरी टायम वी आर लुकींग मुखार कितें येतलें. दॅट वॉज इट. गुड सस्पेन्स, good comedy and some seriousness made a good mixture and best Konkani movie. I believe all the girls should see it. Thank you.
Thank you.
Anything to do with John, we just love his comedy, and he always invites us for all his theatres and all, whichever he directs and all. So we never stay without coming, and this was something very unique.
Movie तोशेंच जावन एक्चुअली बेस्ट लागले. बेस्ट स्टोरी कित स्टोरी बरोवप कॉन्सेप्ट आनी सडनली क्लायमॅक्स लास्टान सारकें आंगांतले लोंव उब जाता इतलें म्हणजे बरें टचिंग मुवी. आनी स्टार्टींग पासून कॉमेडी पासून जॉन बाबा आमचो तेणें कॉमेडी केल्या आनी तेका आनी एकलो आहा तो बेस्ट एक्टींग केला. बेस्ट. आनी मदें स्टार्टींग हांव हांसलां इतलें म्हाज्या येतालो आवाज थिंगा चड इतलें हांसलां. लास्टान सडनली रडपाचें. पिक्चर बेस्ट जाला. फूल ओवरऑल म्युजीक दिलां, कॉमेडी, एवरीथींग वॉज गुड. एवरीथींग. आय लायक द मुवी.
Very good, very good. Excellent movie. Well written and directed by Ryan sir, and also well acted by each and everyone, like every detail. Also the background music, the cinematographer, number one, top notch. Fully entertainment, सगळे entertainment हा. आनी जे भाशेन न्हू ती पोर्ट्रे केला, द फ्लो, गूड फ्लो, वेरी गुड फ्लो. हुंयसर तो हो वाज येयला कांयच दिसोंक ना. आनी एंडिंगाक मॅसेज दिल्या ती वेरी गुड. आनी वेलरिजान चड बरें केला. थँक्यू.
I wish all the best for the movie to be a success in Goa. Actually, there's a lot of effort which goes to produce a movie. The script takes a lot of time, but the script was wonderful, and especially a lot of religious matter was there, which will improve our faith. And I wish all the best for the movie to be a success in Goa.
Excellent movie. You know, it is a mix of all the emotions. It is grounding us to the roots the moment it starts from that Angelus. And you have comedy, spirituality, the excellent story, and the twist at the end is like giving a strong message. I would, tell everyone to come and watch it. It's an excellent movie, and I'm surely coming again. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
हांव रॉयस फेर्नांडीस. आयज हांवें तशेंच जावं ही मुवी पळयल्या कोंकणी फिल्म. तातूंत बरी स्टोरी, बरी कॉमेडी बसयल्ली आसा. म्हाका तें एकदम बरें लागलें. तशेंच हांव सांगूंक सोदतां हे मुवीन जायतें बरेंपण दाखयलां. जावं कसो भावार्थ आमी देवाचेर दवरपाचो तें हांवें पळयलां. सो हांव मागतां सगळ्यांनी ही मुवी पळोवची आनी तुमी बरे भाशेन एन्जॉय करचें म्हूण मागता. देव बरें करूं.
सो आतांच हांव गोंया येयल्लो तशेंच हांव रायनाचे मुवी पळोवंक. सो आय नो पर्सनली रायन फ्रॉम लायक मेनी इयर्स फ्रॉम ट्रेंडींग शिल्ड्स. सो तेन्नासून हांव तेजे यूट्यूब विडियोज पळयतालो आनी नाव ही हॅज वर्क फॉर लायक बीग स्क्रीन. पयलीं हांवें पळयल्लें तेजें लकी ड्रॉ 777. सेकेंड मुवी म्हाका पळोवंक मेळूंक ना. सो डेफिनेटली आय विल वॉच इट. बट दीस मुवी कंप्लिटली टेक्निकली हांवें पळयला मुवी. इट्स ब्युटिफुली डन. स्टोरी जावं लायक एक्टर्स दे हॅव प्लेड देअर रोल एंड दे हॅव जस्टिफायड देअर रोल. जॉन सर जावं लेस्टन जावं देअर कॉम्बिनेशन वॉज व्हेरी गुड. देन केमिस्ट्री ऑफ रायन एंड द लीड एक्टर्स फिमेल, शी वॉज लायक व्हेरी गुड. आनीक स्टोरी आय नेवर एक्सपेक्टेड दॅट एंडींग अशें जातलें म्हणून सावन घेवन. एंड डेफिनेटली यू गायज हॅव टू वॉच दीस मुवी. एंड definitely you guys have to watch this movie, and I'm expecting more movies from Ryan. And one more thing, my heartfelt credits goes to Rosh and Prajot. Beautifully done music. So I expect karung nahalle aho zatalo mun sangen music. So I know Prajwal and Rosh from many years, but this project they have killed it.